Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be going over how you can deploy or host your own React.js app in cPanel, so let's get right into it. React.js is, of course, the React language or programming language used for web development, and cPanel is an online Linux-based graphic user interface to make managing your website a lot easier. For this tutorial, I am using a medium.com website article to help you with this process. However, if you have any other questions, just refer to it yourself. This is the name of the article and it should answer all your possible questions. If this tutorial is not sufficient enough for your situation, the first step you want to do to create and host a website is use the terminal/cmd in your project directory and create a React app if you haven't, by running the npx create React app my app. And once the installation is successful, change the directory into the my app directory created, then open the package.json file, adding a home page to it. This is what it's supposed to look like, and this is where you set up your home page for your website. Then after you do that, what you want to do is in your project directory, locate the public folder and add a .htaccess file. This is needed so that everything will run, and this is pretty much the backbone of your website in cPanel. Once you're there, open up the htaccess file and add the following configuration. So this is rewrite engine on, rewrite base, rewrite rule, rewrite conditions, and rewrite rule. Pretty much just copy this and everything should be fine. This assumes that the index.html and the htaccess file are in the same directory, so make sure you put them in your in the same directory. If it's not, just change the root to your directory, and that's pretty much it. Then run npm build or yarn build commands, and this will create a folder called build. This directory contains a compressed version of your React app in static files, which you can then deploy. You need to upload all the contents of the build folder, not the build folder itself, into your cPanel account via FTP, or you can use FileZilla or File Manager upload, and that's pretty much all you have to do. Once you upload this, your React.js app will be live on the domain you want to use, and that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be seeing you guys next time.